Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing this cabin filter in a 2018 Chevy Equinox. These are super easy to install and they go right in on the passenger side glove box. So what we do is we'll just take all this stuff right out of here like so. Now this glove box actually comes down. You're going to push along the side and you'll find that this will just drop. After it drops, you'll find the area right here. It's going to say filter access door. Now you need to take this out first and then we'll pop this off on the side. All you need is the 5.5 ratchet here. Same thing on the other side. Now we'll pop this in after we take this out. Okay, now we got both of those out here. Okay, we'll pull this out here. Just like so. Just remember that this is going vertically and we're going to replace it. Next, we'll pop this right back in. That way. Just like so. Take this, chuck it. This screws can just be put right back in. Close that up. And we'll just take the ratchet. We can call it a day. Really simple, easy to do. All said and done.